Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with Anupam. So today we will learn how to automatically publishing our Android applications on App Center or Play Store. So basically earlier we do some manual process after developing our code to automatically build upload on App Center or Play Store. It was very hectic process and very time consuming process to uploading manually build on App Center. So with now we do some it very easy process with configuration of CI/CD with Android application. So basically there is some prerequisite to configure CI/CD for Android applications and do some configuration on App Center as well. Basically App Center is an Azure based solution designed for managing and automating the development lifecycle for iOS, Android, Windows and Linux applications. By this configure on App Center, developer monitor their application with real-time crash and advanced analytics. So let's see some basic prerequisite to configure Android application. So here are some basic steps to configure with Bitbucket pipeline. So basically, first of we should be set up Android project with one build environment, whether it is release or whether it is debug. Setup build for production release. So we need to create some key store file for signing the our build, and we need to configure our app to Bitbucket repository with any branch, master feature, or basically we do configure the build from master branch. Master is a production branch. This is a general process for our Git workflow. As we learned in my previous video, what is the Git workflow? You can see my past videos and see that how git workflow is working. So basically now we will do some App Center process. App Center, in we will enable Bitbucket configuration with our respective repository in which we will going to merge our code. So basically let's go on Android Studio. So it is like that I have created one application in our Android Studio, CI/CD demo with App Center. This is a basic demo purpose. For demo purpose, it has only one activity for basically showing our UI. So basic configuration I did like that. Build.gradle. In build.gradle, I set up some key store configuration, store password key alias. Basically it will ask on our App Center to configure signing config information. So this is first step to set up Android project with configure Bitbucket repository. So my configuration is like in on master branch. So let's go on App Center. So in App Center you should be do some basic sign up and login process. You will see this screen like I have login on my email ID and tyagi@outlook.in. So I will add new application. So I will be adding my application name CI/CD demo. Release type, we can say it is beta. So first I will distribute my build on the tester mode. After tester will verify the build and test the build, that we will go for production. So basically it is a general practice to first of we will upload on beta. That in my case my application is in Android. Platform is Java and Kotlin. So I will be adding this app, adding new app. So basically here are some basic steps. Add App Center SDK to your application. So there are basic steps in your build app build.getter. Add the following lines. So I will do the same. I will copy from here my build.getter here. I will paste this configuration. Oh, paste two times. So I will move here. I will sync So it will be asking for start the sticky open your main activity class at the following import statement. Look for on create callback in the same file at the following. So I will follow same step which App Center is asking me to add that particular step on Android application. So I will paste also this code. Do you want to convert it? It is asking me to convert it Kotlin because App Center code is in Java, so it will be very easy in Android Studio. So good thing is that it will be automatically convert my Java code to Kotlin code. So now my app is ready. I have done all the instruction with App Center, whatever asked in App Center. So I will go to the build section. So there is some build section. Four service are showing me Azure DevOps, GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab. But my code is configuration on Bitbucket, so I will choose Bitbucket here. Grant access. So as you know, two repository I have configured on Bitbucket demo project, which I have shown you in my previous video for learning Git source tree with Bitbucket. But now for learning CI/CD Android project, I have created new repository CI/CD Android project. So I will configure CI/CD Android project because I will do automatically build for Android only. So if I click on CI/CD Android project, initial commit it has configured on master branch. So we have to configure build where I will be commit my application code on master branch. So build variant is release type, build this branch on every push. So basically build frequency what you want to choose, build this branch on every push and manually choose when to run build. So I will choose here build this branch on every push. Build Android app bundle. So I will go for APK. Addition to your APK, automatically incremental version code, run unit test. If you write some unit test cases, that it will be run some unit test cases. Lend source code, basically it will check some wording, whatever wordings in your code exist. Environment variable, signing build must be signed to run on device. So basically what step I have already shown you in my Android project like that for build.gradle. Signing config release. So I have done this step because of this, because of App Center asking me to migrate the setting are entirely set to handle signing automatically. Otherwise I will have to upload same process which I have done on my Android Studio project. So basically I will check this process, distribute build, groups, select distribution, collaborators. Collaborators is a group which all the testers included in this group have been notified, so new build is uploaded or not. So I will only save here for now. So I have set up all configuration for master branch with initial commit, which I have been committed before 26 minutes ago. For now, I am not building now because I have yet to commit some code on my master branch like that. I have added some CI/CD files for JKS file. So I can discard this file because I have to remove. I can remove app release APK file here. Okay. I can also discard this file because there is no need to commit this file. App build.gradle, it is mandatory to commit this code. Main activity I have done this code idea.name. There is no need to also this, so I will ignore this file. So CI/CD, this is file mandatory output.method.json. So I will stage your file and commit and push as well. update app center configuration code in my master commit branch. So as you know that if we check push changes immediately to origin master with commit, if I click on commit, it will basically local commit and immediate push the our code onto the server. As I do this, it will be reflecting on our Bitbucket server code, and build is starting on App Center as well. So first off, I will see here build is queued. You can check first update App Center configuration. As I do commit on Bitbucket server and merge push the code on master branch, because master branch has been configured already on CI/CD pipeline with App Center, so it is in queued state because building is just build process is just ongoing automatically. So there is no manual process for uploading the build like that. We have just I have just pushed the code on to 48 seconds ago. As soon I push the code on master branch, that master branch is already configured on App Center, as I have seen. So like that, it is in queue state. As soon it will be completed, it will be distributed in my distribute section. You have no release yet because still I have no uploaded any build. It is the very first time I am doing with you guys. So group section, I have only added one tester with myself. I can add multiple number of tester here, collaborators. As soon as build is uploaded, that all the tester which have been added in this group notified automatically, and they will be able to download the application from here. So there is no manual to indicating that I have uploaded the build on App Center or Play Store. There will be some options for uploading on Play Store, so we will see in later videos. For now, we can check how it is on push just now trigger. You can check here, app is building now. It is checking some build process. It is taking some time. Oh, oops, build is failed. So let's configure how build is failed with return code 1. User SDK minimum SDK version 19 cannot be smaller than version 20 declared in library analytics. Okay. So there is a merge mismatch error. So I can configure because I am doing it in live. So minimum SDK version I have mentioned here 2019 because which App Center library we have used there. So in that library minimum SDK version is 21 there. So we can mention 21 is also, as it will be compatible with our App Center library. So 21 I have already. So there is some. So I will do next same next step, update build update SDK version to 21. So stays all. I will do stays all. As soon as I commit, build is start again to process because because error is happening because as what app center library I have been added in the Android app project, they support minimum SDK version is 21, but my project is configured in 19, so I have made compatible with 21 my project. So you can see on push, triggered on push, and build is starting again just now. You can check here. I have pushed the code again, and build in queue state. Update minimum SDK version. You can see that I just mentioned update minimum SDK version to 21. So for now it should not be fail in anymore because I am doing this in live mode. So basically it will be uploaded. So it will be some basic practice. It should be some basic practice like that. If you got any error in build.gradle configuration, so you should be capable of remove that error immediately on your in your Android project as well. In your Android project as well. So now build is ongoing process. Let's see build will be configured or not. Applet release, app compile release, app dex builder release. I hope it will be completed in this time. Merge release, merge ext, merge dx, build successful or now. Wow, we got only one error in live video. We have already resolved immediately this this error and allow successfully. Build is automatically distribute automatically. Wow, you can see here with version code 1 and version name 1.0 build has been uploaded automatically here, and tester which is only added myself has been notified immediately. So this was the CI/CD process through our Android applications. So I hope you guys have found my video very useful. So I will be keep uploading this type of video in my next video. So please stay tuned with me. Thank you guys.